Alright guys, let's do question number 10. Question number 10 says, what is displayed by the console log statement after the following code segment executes? And let's go through each one of the pieces. Well, the first line of code says variable A is set to 3. 2 says variable B is set to 6. 3 is variable C is set to 10. And then we have some equations. So it might be a good idea to establish the numbers. So let's do that. We have A, B, and C, and initially, before any new lines of code, A is initialized to 3, B is initialized to 6, and C is initialized to 10. Now, the first time some change happens is in line 4. So let's see what it says. Line 4 says A is set to B divided by A. Oh, excuse me, let's make sure we don't do that because that actually creates something different in code. So B divided by A. So let's find out what B divided by A is. Well, B is 6 and A is 3. And so B divided by A is 2. And line 4 says that A is now set to whatever that is. So in this case, in line 4, A is now 2. Nothing's happened to B. And nothing has happened to C. Now let's look at line 5. 5 says that B is set to C minus A. So that means B is now going to change. It's going to be whatever C minus A is. And that's 10 minus 2. And again, that's set to B, so 10 minus 2 is 8. And we have done nothing to A and nothing to C. And now, in line 6, we have one more action. And that says C is set to B divided by A. And B divided by A is, based on the new numbers, 8 divided by 2. And 8 divided by 2 is 4. And that's what C is set to. Nothing's happened to B. Nothing's happened to A. Now let's look at the last line of code. It says console log value is set to plus C. So it's basically printing out whatever C is. And since we finished with C is equal to 4, that's all it was. The value is 4. Alright guys, see you in the next one.